The government has begun the process of offloading over 58% of its stake spread across 6 listed state-owned enterprises in the National Securities Exchange. National Treasury and Economic Planning Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi says through the capital markets, the government aims to enhance accountability for the performance of commercial state corporations.
Following approvals of the divestiture of the state's shareholding in 6 listed firms on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, including its shareholding in the bourse itself, by the Cabinet in June 2024, the government is making good its promise of using the capital markets to streamline government institutions.
The government remains committed to ensuring that capital markets is at the center of the government plans to divest from state-owned enterprises under the privatization program. This is expected to pick up once we create a sustainable pipeline of transactions to be executed through NSE. I expect collaboration among the CMA, NSE, the National Treasury and Economic Planning and other capital market industry stakeholders to make the privatizations program a resounding success.
The companies include East African Portland Cement Limited, with government stake of 25.3%, and the National Social Security Fund NSSF stake of 27%, the Nairobi Securities Exchange 3.36%, and Housing Finance Company of Kenya. Now the government is targeting acceleration of this exercise to coincide with the introduction of reforms at the capital markets.
So the government is currently on top gear, driving progressive reforms aimed at enhancing the performance of the economy and safeguarding the gains made are not only an end in itself or in themselves, but also an impetus for the development of the capital markets.
Speaking at the launch of NSE bond market reforms, CS Mbadi pointed to tapping into private sector knowledge in a bid to induce economic growth and streamline government procurement systems.
We just need to be disciplined in our use of public resources. We must eliminate open theft of public resources. That is where the answer lies. We are stealing from ourselves every day and we don't get satisfied.
The government hopes that divestiture in state companies will optimize the contributions in the realization of national development. Alanoko, Prime Edition.